This is the elevator at 5100 Peak Street in Millcreek Township, Pennsylvania. This was originally a late 80s Westinghouse MPH elevator, but it was modernized, I believe, 2021 by TK Elevator. H-power with MAD-BS van-resistant fixtures. Original cab. Basement. Oh, that's locked. 2. Door open and close in reverse. That's weird. That's an annoying fan. Here you are. I guess it's slightly over resistance. Whoa! Definitely hasn't been used well. That was a harsh start. Here are 2. Come back down to 1. There's a lantern now, but it didn't matter when they were in on. In case the fire do not use, where's the elevator part? Guess they probably just did that for code compliance. Certificate installed 1987. It's a basic gray laminate cab. Definitely the original cab, kind of beaten up in 1. Go back at 1. Definitely has an AMD linear door operated. But what is not doing yet?